Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, and this video today I'm going to teach you 4D common verbs in Asian Creole. But just pay attention to hear the pronunciation guy, and then after you can practice or you can include one of them in your statement. So bonsoir tout le monde, qui j'en nou. Jodi a nan ti video sa mwen pral ensegnyo 40 verb nan kriol haisyen. Lo fin apren 40 verb sa, ou ka fe yon fraz ave yo nan yon komenter, epi kite yo pou mwen an ba video sa. Sou fe fout, map koj yo. Let's get started. To study, to study, to study. Étudier, to study, étudier. To sit, to sit. Chita, to sit, chita. To walk, marcher, to walk, marcher. To buy, acheter, to buy, acheter. To run, courir. To lose, perdre. To dance, danser. To stay, rete. Sorry guys, to stay, rete. To work, travail. To finish, fini. To speak, parler. To have, gagner. To tell, raconter. To feel, sentir. To cry, crier. To say, dire. To wash, laver. To burn, brûler. To know, connaître. To sleep, dormir. To look, regarder. To be able, capable. To can, conserver. To can, conserver. Can, capable. To correlate. To be say. Okay, guys? And this, guy, as you already know, guys, can is a verb, defective verb. But I put to in front of can, guy. It means another thing. Okay, guy? Next video, guy, I will explain to you why I put to in front of can. Okay? Okay? To come, venir. To open, l'ouvrir. To close, fermer. To take, prendre. To count, compter. To laugh, rire. To search, chercher. To ask, demander. To cut, couper. To copy, copier. To paste, coller. To pray, prier. To put, mettre. I think, guys, you enjoy this. Don't forget, guys, if you would like to see more videos, don't forget to leave a comment and also to include one of them, guys, in your statement. Let me know in a comment. Thanks God for being watching it.